What's going on, traders? Just want to give you guys an update on our prop firm automation accounts. We have now secured $300,000 in total profits in about 7 months of trading. As we begin the first quarter of 2026, a lot of volatility in the markets, and we expect that throughout the year. And that is why risk management is key, especially if you're trading on prop firms. Our team of traders have never lost more than 1.5% in a given day, and that is how we have been able to maintain our accounts for close to 7 months without blowing any accounts or going into any severe drawdown. This week was another 5-figure in profits, and let me just break down some of the trades that we took from this week.
All right, here we go. Another fantastic trading week. We have onboarded new traders who have had tons of experience with quantitative trading, and it has really just been making such a big difference. Using mathematics, statistics, and data collection, it has just made all of our trades much more consistent and profitable. Right now, we are one trade away from hitting $300,000 in total profits. So let me show you guys. So it is the weekend. All of our trades have been closed for the weekend. And let me show you guys the past year. It hasn't been a full year yet. It's been about 7 months. And you can see that on the bottom right-hand corner, we did hit 332,000 in total profits, but minus the swap fees and the commissions, and the total profit came out to 499,000. It is exactly the same as my MetaTrader 5. You can see that these were all of the trades that we took. You see those arrows. We use all kinds of data along with technical analysis to trade these accounts with strict risk management, risking only 1 to 1.5% a day. I'm going to go to the last year of profits. Profits are exactly the same as my phone right here. Over this past week, we did about $13,000 in profit, back-to-back 5-figure profit weeks. And I'll show you guys the trades that we actually took. On this trade, we had a huge trade right here on gold. We noticed that gold started to break after hitting its new all-time highs. Took a sell position with a tight stop loss. This trade ended up hitting $4,240 in total profit. And again, it will be exactly the same as my MetaTrader 5. If I go to it, go all the way up. See that this is the trade that we took right here, $4,240 in total profit. And then we took a sell on pound dollar. We ended up losing that trade. And then we took another sell on pound dollar as gold started to collapse. We knew that other pairs trading against the US dollar was also on its way down. If I go to the pound dollar chart, it actually continued to make its way up. Just like anything trading against the dollar, it started coming down. We took a small loss on euro dollar for 160. And once gold started to retrace after having a huge decline, able to catch it going up as well. You can see 2 buys on gold, one for 1,300 and another trade for 1,600. So this was on the 3rd and 4th of February, which was right here on this pullback. Same thing happened with pound dollar and euro dollar. We were able to catch those buys. And then we took another sell right here on gold for 848. And then on this day right here, gold started breaking down again. So it was just very volatile back and forth in the markets, but that's actually very good for day traders. More volatility has more setups. This was also our other loss right here for 750. You can see that we did not hit 1% in drawdown on any given day. And then we took and then here was a sell for gold, 2,488. We ended up closing this trade because with some prop firms, you're not allowed to hold the positions on the weekend. So we ended up taking a small loss on gold for 128. So overall profits are $13,000 just for the week. And then again, for the whole 7 months, you can see even the previous week how well we did. We ended up going on a huge win streak. This was the previous week. We ended up losing exactly 1% on a 200K account. But other than that, because of the experience of all of our traders, we have been able to make consistent profits like this. So let's go to the history for the month. So for the past month, we did about $50,000 in profit on a 200K account. That is over 20%. Same thing right here. If I go to the past month, $50,000, $618 in total profit. These are all the trades. You can see right here, all of these different trades. So over 20% for the month. Absolutely blessed to have such an experienced team. If I go to the statistics on this 200K prop firm account, let's break down the trades. And you can see the trades right here, exactly the same as my phone. Overall profits. So if we go to last year, The balance $499,860.21, just like right here, $499,860.21. I told you that we have only had a few losing days of about 1 to 1.5%. Show you guys right here. So it went from 72.97 to 71.93. Another day, I believe right here, 76.8 to 76.43. Another day right here, 81.33, 80.96. This is how we are keeping our stop losses very tight so that we don't ever get into a serious drawdown, because climbing out of a drawdown can be very stressful. Another day right here, 88.31 to 87.56. This was probably one of our biggest losing days, but other than that, never in any kind of serious trouble or a serious drawdown. Hopefully we'll be able to get everyone to the 500,000 mark soon. So this week, other members were able to get some payouts as well. There was a collapse in crypto. This member was able to pick up some crypto at 60K. I actually missed my chance to buy the dip, but I'm pretty sure that there's going to be other opportunities. This week, one of our members was able to get a payout from FTMO for $13,000. And we have started taking prop firm automation accounts. So we made an announcement, another 5 figures on our 200K accounts. Anyone interested in our automation accounts on Funded Next and Alpha Capital, we're taking a list now. This is for our current members. Just enjoying the weekend with my family and friends. We're getting ready for Super Bowl weekend. Share with you one of our other members' prop firm accounts. He is now funded across 5 different prop firms with over $1 million in prop firm trading capital. He started back with us back in July. So he only started out with FTMO and FXIFY. After receiving those payouts, he was able to scale his accounts, E8 markets, and then he got an account now with Funding Pip, and then now he finally got his payout with Alpha Capital as well. Back in January, he was able to secure over $30,000 in total payouts, just making consistent payouts from each prop firm. We do recommend that once you guys are funded with one prop firm and you want to scale your accounts, go to a different prop firm just in case a prop firm refuses to pay you out or the prop firm could actually suddenly close. Head on over to propfirmmatch.com. You can check out all of the different prop firms that are suitable for you. Even if you are in the US, you also have many options as well. In our prop firm automation service, we pass the challenge for you, get you funded, and continue to trade the accounts to make consistent profits like this. And once you guys do join, the best thing about our prop firm automation service is that you are able to get all of our EAs, our US30 quant trading bot, our FX Goliath trading bot, and even our gold trading bot. All of it is included in the package. It is completely free so that you guys can make additional profits while we trade your prop firm accounts for you. So if you guys would like to join our community, once you guys join, you guys will have access to our thriving trading community. And these are some of the prop firms that our members are actually trading with: FTMO, Funded Next, Maven, Funding Pips, Alpha Capital, and FXIFY. Make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel, check out all of the videos. We do make weekly update videos on our prop firm automation accounts, so you guys can check out all of the videos in our channel. If you're interested in joining our community, hit this link right here, reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your prop firm trading journey.